I talked to a sales leader last week who has over 100 salespeople. He canceled his Sales Navigator Advanced subscription for his sales team. Shut it down for all of the employees who were using the seats available. It's a huge shift. And he told me the reason that he canceled the Sales Navigator subscription for his sales team is that he could not see the return on the investment. It wasn't working. We talked about this, and the bottom line is he wasn't ready to get Sales Navigator for his team. So I am saying this very bluntly to all sales leaders out there who are thinking about getting Sales Navigator. You may not be ready to do it. So don't fund Sales Navigator for your sales team yet. LinkedIn is a powerful business tool. And Sales Navigator is even more powerful as a business tool. Your sales team can find the right leads and accounts using Sales Navigator with the advanced search that's built into the system. Far, far more powerful than what's available in LinkedIn. Your sales team can use the Relationship Explorer feature of Sales Navigator to pay attention and find not only targeted accounts, but the right humans within those accounts whom they can get into a connection, conversation, maybe even a relationship with. Your sales team can use the social listening features that are built into Sales Navigator to pay attention to the right people, which is critical when you're using social media for business. Yes, you get in-mail credits, and they can be very useful when used properly. And there's a lot more that you can do with Sales Navigator. You can collect leads and build lists of leads and build lists of accounts and using Sales Navigator Advanced or Enterprise, you have the ability to see who else in your organization has those leads or accounts in their list. It is a powerful business tool when your sales team is ready to use it. There are 3 primary subscription versions available to you with Sales Navigator. And the Sales Navigator Core, the published fee is $80 a month if you pay it for it annually. Sales Navigator Advanced, which has a few more features that are often worth using in teams, is $140 per month when you pay 12 months in advance per seat, per employee. Now there's Sales Navigator Advanced Plus. This is the enterprise version. That's $1,600 a year per seat. And you don't do that with just a few employees. You do that with a lot of employees. And these numbers, the Sales Navigator Core, Sales Navigator Advanced, those are published numbers that are on the internet. Now, I do know that there's discounting associated with that. And I do know that Sales Navigator Advanced Plus, which is the enterprise version, you've got to talk to LinkedIn Sales to be able to get the pricing for your enterprise to be able to subscribe to that. Now, let's dig in a little deeper. So those are the numbers that cost per seat. What's it going to cost for your team? So here's some estimates that I put together. Again, based on data that I have, based on conversation with sales leaders who have subscribed to LinkedIn for their teams, and based on some research that I did to find some estimated numbers. Team annual cost. If you have 20 employees using Sales Navigator Core, that's $16,000 a year. If you have 100 employees using Sales Navigator Advanced, that's $126,000 a year. Again, these are estimated based on some discounting that I know is available. If you have 100 employees using Sales Navigator Advanced Plus, which used to be called the enterprise version, so that's $136,000 a year. Now, if you have 200 employees using Sales Navigator Advanced, that's $252,000 a year. And if you have 200 employees using Sales Navigator Advanced Plus, That's $272,000 a year. Now that sounds like a lot of money, and that could very well be a lot of money to some of us. But if you have 200 employees and they are prepared and they are ready and they can use social media, in this case, Sales Navigator and LinkedIn, to generate business opportunities for enterprise level organizations, typically B2B, those numbers are not far-fetched. Your team should be able to give you an ROI to overcompensate for those costs if they are ready. But I'm here to say that more often than not, enterprises or businesses or corporations who subscribe to Sales Navigator for their sales team, more often than not, they're not ready. So why could this be a waste of money? It could be a waste of money because your sales team is not even using LinkedIn enough. They are sporadically on it. They get on it once a month. They do very little, and they really don't spend enough time using LinkedIn. They're not creating value using LinkedIn. They have a profile, they have a network, and maybe they repost some of your company content. That's not creating value. They don't know how to use LinkedIn for research. Again, they build a profile and they connect with a bunch of people and they repost your content, but that's where they stop. They don't understand the concept or the power behind social listening and doing social research. Your sales team doesn't know how to do social networking. Again, they may send out invites and hope and pray that people connect. They may accept all the LinkedIn invites that come into them, regardless of who they are, but they don't understand how to do social networking with purpose. Your sales team may not even understand social engagement. They may be all about reposting your company page content, but that does not create real value, and that is not social engagement. That is using LinkedIn as a channel to throw up all over who they perceive is their target audience. The last thing is your sales team may not even have well-built LinkedIn profiles. Their LinkedIn profile could be askew in lots of different ways and does not speak to their target audience and tell their target audience who they are, what they do, relevant to them. If your sales team is making any of these mistakes, they're not ready for Sales Navigator. Do you know how to test for this? Have you reviewed your sales team's LinkedIn SSI score? Do you even know what that is? Have you looked at your sales team's LinkedIn networks? How many of them have good networks? How many of them have focused networks? How many of them are connecting with people who are highly relevant to their sales goals? Are they connecting with influencers? Are they connecting target audience? Or are they just connecting? Have you looked at your sales team's LinkedIn profiles? Are they built highly focused, again, on their target audience, telling their target audience who they are and what they do? Have you looked at your sales team's LinkedIn activity? Are they doing anything on LinkedIn? Are they reposting your company page content? Or are they doing what's called a true, purposeful social engagement? Have you asked your sales team how often they get into conversations with the right LinkedIn connections that they have? Can you ask your sales team this? What's the last sale they have made as a result of using LinkedIn? If you do this analysis and you find that their social selling index is lackluster, that they don't even know who they're connected with, that their LinkedIn profiles have not been refined and focused on their target audience, if they don't have any activity at all, or their activity, again, is, willy-nilly and all over the place, haphazardly, if again, because they don't know their LinkedIn connections, and they don't know who to get in a conversation with, or they're getting into the wrong conversations over and over again, And if they have no idea if any business has come from using LinkedIn, your sales team is not ready for Sales Navigator. You have to create a strong foundation of using LinkedIn as a business tool first. So you need to, or get help doing this, guide your sales team on the proper use of LinkedIn. Guide them on building highly focused, what I refer to as professional LinkedIn profiles. Guide them on discovering the power of using social networking, social engagement, and social research. Guide your sales team on integrating the use of LinkedIn into other business processes so that LinkedIn is not a sideline tool that I get to whenever I can get to it, which, by the way, will never happen. So you have to integrate the use of LinkedIn into other business processes, or they'll never use it. And unless you can create this foundation of using LinkedIn as a business tool first, you will absolutely be wasting money subscribing your team or funding the subscription of Sales Navigator for your team. Create a foundation of using LinkedIn as a business tool first, and then look at the potential of funding maybe a pilot project with 5 of your best salespeople or 10 of your best salespeople, and build a program to guide your sales team who's already using LinkedIn as a business tool. Create a program to take that pilot group and create superstars. And then do it again, and do it again, and do it again. If you don't do this first, I can promise you that you will be wasting money funding the use of Sales Navigator for your sales team. By the way, if you need help with this, maybe we should talk.